Clothes. Describing clothes. Leather, cotton, woolen, silk, synthetic, denim, plain, striped, checkered, checked, polka-dot, spotted, paisley, plaid, loose, baggy, fitted, tight, crumpled, cropped, vintage. Work clothes and uniform, chef's uniform, chef's hat, chef's coat, apron, lab coat, firefighter's uniform, overalls, military uniform, scrubs, cargo pants, cargo trousers, high visibility jacket, tabard, school uniform, school shirt, school tie. Children's and babies' clothes, snowsuit, mittens, hood, bib, overalls, dungarees, bodysuit, baby grow, sleep suit, snap, popper, play suit, romper suit, onesie, costume, booties,